Hello, welcome again to video lecture of Solution of System of Linear Equations using Matrix. I am Sharmila from SNDT Women's University. I'll take a non-homogeneous equation for which there is unique solution. See, this is the non-homogeneous equation. Non-homogeneous because these are all non-zeros. When we convert this into matrix equation as earlier, Ax equal to B, we have A as this, X is this, B is this one. A is coefficient matrix of variables like this 1, 1, 3, 1 minus 1, 5, 1, 2 minus 7, X, Y, Z for capital X, and the constants as the matrix B. How to find now rank with rank of AB? We have to perform row transformation. When we adjoin this B matrix to A matrix, what we get is what? Augmented matrix AB, for which we have to find rank. Now, this is one, we need not do anything, this is to be converted to 0. So, you can perform these two operations to convert this and this to 0. R1 minus R2 gives you 0. Then 3 R1, when you subtract from R3, you get 0 here. So, finally we get this one. Now, this is to be converted to 0. So, you can add these two elements. So, finally we are getting this matrix. So, even though we are not dividing this by 1, you can see how many non-zero rows are there. 3, correct? For matrix A also it is 3. So, rank of A as well as rank of AB is same. So, the system is consistent. This is the case where R equal to N. Rank is equal to number of unknown. Then the system has unique solution. I'll explain how we get a unique solution. Take augmented matrix and convert this into equation again. Let us take the last row. These are 0. So, x and y is absent. So, minus 9z equal to minus 12 gives you z equal to 4 by 3. Now, when we convert this into equation, what you get is minus 2y plus z equal to minus 2, where when you put z value, you get y. That is this one. Now, when we put y and z in the first row equation, you have the value of x, which is 5. So, these are unique solution. There is no arbitrary constant coming in here. This is unique. These are unique solution for that system. Now, let me take another example where we have infinite solution. See, this is a system of non-homogeneous equation. When we convert this into matrix equation, A is this coefficient matrix and column matrix of unknown, then column matrix of constants. Now, let's take AB, which is augmented matrix, and find rank of that by using elementary transformation. Row transformation we need to use. So, how to convert this to 0? As usual, 3R1 minus 3R1 to be subtracted from R2. And same way 2R1 from R3. So, you get zeros here. Automatically this will change. Now, we have one, we need 1 here. So, this is to be divided by 10. This is to be divided by 11, and then let us subtract R2 from R3. So, you get 0 here. So, this gives you rank. You see, rank of AB as well as rank of A is 2 here. That is the case R is less than N. What is R? Rank. And what is N? That's number of unknown. In this case, the system has infinite solution. Okay. So, I'll explain it once again. When we write this as a equation again, we have y plus 2z equal to 3, where you need to put y or z as an arbitrary constant. So, let's take z as t. So, we can express y in terms of t, which is 3 minus 2t. Now, z and y, when you put in the first row equation, you have the value of x. That is also in terms of t. This t can take any value. It can be 1, 2, 3, any value. So, x, y and z, you have infinite values. These are all solution for that system of non-homogeneous equation. Now I'll take another example. There you have more number of unknowns. See how many unknowns? 5 unknowns, and we have 4 equations. Number of equations are less than number of unknowns. So definitely m is less than n. The rank of the matrix will be obviously less than n. So there will not be case of unique solution here. So when we convert this into matrix equation, we get A is a big matrix, X is this one, B is 1, 2, 1, 0. When we adjoin B to A, we have an augmented matrix of this form, where we need not do anything. First leading element is 1. Now we have to convert this to zeros. For that, perform this operation. You can pause the video and perform this operation and see. So after this is done, you have to convert this also to 0. So perform again operation. Finally, when you convert all these to 0, you can see all last row elements are zeros. So rank of AB as well as rank of A is 3. This cannot be converted to 0 because if the rank is 2, this all automatically it will become 0. Because it is 3, there are non-zero elements here. Now R of AB as well as R of A is 3. It has solution. It is consistent, but it has infinite solution. Now to find solution, again we need to write this as a equation. This is augmented matrix. Let's take last row and write this as an equation. And now you see here, it is an equation with 3 unknowns. Here we need to substitute 2 arbitrary constants. A and B can take any value. A can be 1, B can be 1, A can be 1 and B can be 2. Anything we can take. Accordingly, we can find the value of x3. So we get x3 as 1 plus A minus 2B, that is in terms of A and B. And second row gives you this equation. So you can find the value of x4. Correct? Now putting this value, you can find the value of x2 by putting x3, x4 and x5. Similarly, from the first row, you can find x1. Okay, so we get x1, x2, x3 and x4 in terms of A and B, where A and B can take any arbitrary value. So this is again an infinite solution case. Now, I'll take a real world problem. See, Chand Novelty wishes to produce 3 types of toys, type A, B and C. Type A, B and C. This I have written in tabular form for your better understanding. Now, to manufacture type A toy requires 2 minutes in machine 1, 2 minutes in machine 1, 1 minute in machine 2 and 2 minutes in machine 3. Okay, and type B requires 1 minute in machine 1, 3 in 2, 1 in 3. Similarly, for type C, when we read this, you can understand it takes 1, 2, 2 respectively in first, second and third machine. And it takes, see, there are 3 hours available on machine 1, 5 hours and 2 and 4 hours on. So accordingly, you have to convert it in minutes. So now when we write this as an issue, the question is how many toys of each type should Chand Novelty make in order to use all of the available time. Correct? So by using this table, you can form this equation that when you solve, I'm not solving it, it is an exercise for you. You will get the value of x, y and z. See, this is what respectively you are taking. X, y, z denote respectively number of toys what we want to find. Okay. This is an exercise for you. Now I'll give you some more problems for practice and solutions are also given. You're supposed to solve this and find the solution yourself. Okay, now after watching this, you have to log in into this These are the login ID and password, and attempt a quiz. Thank you.